Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be reviewing or trying out this palette right here. I've got 5 shades on my eyes, I think. Yeah, but anyways, this is the McGRATH new palette. This is Mother Mega Crystal Odyssey. So yes, that's the name, and I am so excited about this palette. Look at all of these gorgeous colors. Anyways, if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Alright, to start off this look, we are priming. We are going to prime with the Hydrate Primer from Jacka Black and the eye primer, of course, Urban Decay Eye Potion. Okay, for concealer we are using Self Beauty. This is a K-Beauty brand. I absolutely do like this concealer. You can even see it. It's not picking up, is it? There it is. Okay, so yeah, this is what I am going to be using for the concealer. This is, well, I was going to tell you the shade, but I don't see it. But anyways, that is what I'm using. For foundation, I am using Beauty Blender Bounce. This is in shade 1.3W. Okay, so now I am going in with eyebrows. I am using the Cream Shop Holy Brow. I'm just going to stick with these 2 colors right here. I usually never use this one. I usually use leftover foundation on my hand to clean them up. Okay, so we've got this amazing palette here that we will be using, and I am so excited about this. Anyways, the first color we're going to get into, I think, is going to be this one right here. I don't know what I was expecting, but I definitely was not expecting it to go on with that kind of ease. So anyways, let's go on to the next color. I am going to go in with this green right here. Okay, for a little bit more fun, I am going to use this color right down here. This is kind of a gold color. Okay, so I am really falling in love with this palette. These colors are applying beautifully. I am going to use probably this color right here. It has kind of a peachy undertone to it, and then this color right here. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm going to use this color here and this color here under the eye. I'm going to do the lighter one halfway here and then the other one that way. So for bottom eyeliner, I am going to use a Peel Gel Liner. This could actually be used as a lip liner as well as an eyeliner, but I just use it for an eyeliner. And I am going to use this in the waterline because I want to keep the look soft still, so I want to use some brown for the under part. I'm really liking this. Okay, so I'm going to use my Hank & Henry Lickety Brown for the top eyeliner. This is a brown, but it's a very dark brown, so from a distance it's just going to look black. But I'm choosing to do that because I do want this to stay soft and really bring attention to the eyeshadow. Okay, so for mascara, I'm going to start off with this Heroine Make. This is Long Up Mascara, super waterproof. This is a K-Beauty brand, so if that doesn't make sense, that's probably why the translation is just a little off. But this is a black waterproof curling brown curling waterproof mascara. So that is what I'm going to use on my lashes now. Okay, so now I'm going to take this black mascara. This is Joa Lash Up Rising, and I'm just going to go over the tips of the top lashes to make them pop a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Bella Pierre powder and lightly dust my face, kind of give it a smooth thing. I don't really do it to do anything more than lightly set it, so let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I'm going to take this angle brush and this palette here. This is Summer Skin from So Susan, and I'm going to lightly contour. I'm probably just going to stick with this one and probably this one right here. Yeah, that's it, because I'm not going in heavy with any of it. Okay, so that is done. You can see it just lightly gave my face dimension, and that's all I was going for. For blush, we are using Laura Geller. This is Tropical Hues. It has some nice pretty golden pink colors to it, and yeah. Alright, now we are moving on to highlight. We're using this Glow Getter palette from Private Society. I think we are just going to stick with this one right here called Star Crossed and do the usual points. Okay, so for lips we are going to use Hank and Henry lipstick in shade Sext. This is a satin matte lipstick, and then I'm going to dab a little bit of gloss in the center from Tarte. This is in shade Cinnamon. One last thing, setting spray. We are using Everyday Vacay from Seat London. Alright, this is my finished look. What do you guys think? I think it's great for the fall. I think it's great for the fall. I think it's great for winter. I'm excited about this palette. I think it is amazing. And if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.